This is Ericeira, and this is why we love it here so much. And this is also why we decided to make an almost 5,000 kilometer road trip from Belgium all the way to Portugal.
What better way to kick off another day in paradise with a morning walk to get some fresh bread. After breakfast, it was time again to go to the bowl for a surf skate session. What else can we say? We got addicted.
Kevin says the bowl is not steep and not deep, but this scares the living shit out of me. And the problem is I can't make turns, so that kind of sucks, so the bowl won't be for me today.
But we'll work on it. Hoe kom niet? Okay, yeah, nice.
The thing is, we just can't break something, otherwise we can't surf like this afternoon or tomorrow, so we still need to be like careful.
Ja.
Yes.
Niet twijfel. Oh, ga je voeten niet verzetten.
Shit man. Sketchy. When I was younger, I could somehow do stuff like this without any worries. Nowadays, I know the risks and it's a lot harder to fool around and have fun when you know you can break your arm any minute.
Ja, en blijven gaan. Ja, blijf staan. Yeah. Nice.
Shit. And I guess we'll go for a beach time chilling session first, because it's only high tide at
8:20, so first chilling on the beach
and then some surfing.
hopefully. Hopefully some nice waves, but we will have fun.
And before we head in the water to catch some waves again, we went out to the beach for a chill afternoon. Of course, we can't just lay on the beach without a little adventure, so we found ourselves a secluded spot on the beach.
And of course, snack on the go at the beach before our surf session in about an hour or something.
Even though we are from the coast in Belgium, it never ceases to amaze us how beautiful, stunning and rugged it is here in Portugal. The tropical blue water, the wild nature, the rugged terrain and above all, the scenic views. We decided to switch beaches, so we are now on the beach where we usually surf, and holy shit, you should see the waves. They have never looked so clean as they do today, so can't wait to get straight in. Kevin loves it when he gets to chat about his car with other like-minded people, and I'm not like a big car girl fan, but I do have to admit that like the Land Rover community is like super chill, so this is fun. He came to park next to us because he saw a Defender, which is cool.
It's always nice to meet other Defender owners and talk a bit about the Defenders. Yeah. Very nice.
Back in town because the post-surf hunger is real again, so we are going out for pizza also again.
And also antipasto.
Yes, and probably dessert as well because hungry.
We deserve it.
Yes, definitely. Food has arrived.
Nice.
Hi, good morning. I already prepared the breakfast, but there's one still sleeping, so we're gonna look where Lia is. Hey. Hop hop.
There's honestly nothing that makes me as tired as surfing does. My body is like crashed. So a matcha latte, we have some banana bread, and then we are out again. But for one last time.
Yeah.
14 hours ago we came out of the water and now we are back for one last surf session before we hit the road again tomorrow.
I'm thinking to take the short board because it's the last time and yeah, the waves look pretty good, so let's go.
This surf session did not go as expected. The conditions were rough, the current was strong and the waves were big. An awful lot of paddling, and even then you were constantly drifting away. Lia had given up by now. It was not worth it. Too bad, because it was our last surf session.
I think we just had our last shower before I don't know when, because we will hit the road tomorrow again for 5 days. So it's probably until we are back home in Belgium. It's our last day here in the surfer's paradise, so we are just taking it all in. One last stroll in the city center of Ericeira, a traditional Portuguese fishing village, also recognized as the only world surfing reserve in Europe. We are going to miss this place and all the great vibes here.
We're in a big need of food and juices. They have an energy booster here. We can use that. It was a tough surf session.
The menu looked delicious, so let's see what we got, because we are hungry as usual. And of course, always dessert, especially if it looks like this. Guess where we are. Of course, we have to come back like one more time because I'm like super stoked to make some more progress. So yeah.
And it's also really funny, all the kids here are totally crazy. They skate like pros.
They are owning the park.
Yeah, they
really.
own the park, and it's, if you go in their way, they look at you in a way that you need to move.
Nice, eh?
The only thing we need to do at home is find a ball like this, and then we can like practice a lot, because I like it a lot as well. Now the least fun part of the whole trip is packing. Oh my gosh, first things first, fixing this and then packing everything up and put it in the trailer so we can leave again tomorrow. Ah, crap.
Good job. Yeah, it's the other way around.
Nee,
Yeah.
the name
Yes,
is
it
written
is.
here.
Yes, but it was already.
Ah, crap.
You destroyed it.
Ta-da! Little update, it's getting dark. We are leaving tomorrow, so we are going back to Belgium, more than 2,000 kilometers. And Kevin is currently still fixing some things on the car, still putting it like under the car, I don't know. Don't ask me things about the car, I just know that it's like a super stressy situation right now. Traveling with a Rover Defender, sure as hell, is always fun and troubles as well from time to time.
The new part was not available separately, so they customized the original part somewhat. Hopefully everything will finally be in order for the upcoming days on the road. Hate this car, love this car.
I was just gonna say, it's a love-hate relationship.
Oh god, almost killed myself under the car. But it's fixed. Hey,
Yay!
we can leave tomorrow without issues. Cross
Hopefully.
fingers. Hold the wood. And now time for dinner. And one last thing. It's our last one. The last one from Ericira.